Mother's Day is coming. I got my mom back in the studio this week. What do you want to eat?
The pasta dish that you cook for your staff meal in the cafe that you work?
Oh, I haven't cooked that dish in more than 10 years. I'll cook it again for you. Smoked duck carbonara. So now we're gonna boil the pasta. Usually on the packet for this, right, it says 8 minutes. I always recommend removing 2 minutes before, because after that we are still gonna cook it in the pan. Then you'll get a very nice al dente texture. So the reason why I use Fusilli also because this dish, right, started out as a staff meal for the restaurant I was working at. And for us, the chefs, we last time always stand up and eat. So one hand with the fork, you can just pick and eat the Fusilli pasta very easily.
I was invited to go to the new cafe and then I was offered also to eat this and I thought it was super nice and I actually went to the owner of the cafe. I said that not trying to brag about my son but I think this is the best pasta dish ever.
I didn't know about this story. First time I'm hearing.
He told me, oh really? Oh, nice to tell you now.
We used to sell our staff meal to customers for $5. It's also to show that we feed our staff well.
It's very nice, really very, very nice. That's why the moment he asked me, what can I cook for you? Straight away I thought of this.
So original Roman Carbonara, they use guanciale or pancetta, which is pork. Back then in Singapore, the carbonara, they only use turkey bacon. Not very flavorful and the texture is very bad. So I was thinking like the smoked duck, because of the smokiness and the high fat content, right, you can render out and it gets crispy. We start using a cold pan, right, so that the fat will have time to come up to the temperature. So just make sure it's all spread out evenly, because if it's piled together, right, you'll create steam. The meat will just become grey.
Nice.
Nice? Tastes like bacon or not?
How can I compare?
Just joking only. So my mom has cracked the eggs inside, and to this I'm going to add freshly cracked black pepper. So we just gently mix the egg yolk and the cheese. So it's best to use those whole block of cheese. Since I grate myself from the block, right, there's no additives, it will form a creamier sauce. So now I off the heat. Now I want it slightly creamier. I just add in a bit more pasta water. You can serve it as it is now, but for myself, I want to make this dish a bit more substantial, right? I'm going to add in some cherry tomatoes and some salad leaves. Bismillah first. How?
Alhamdulillah.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, Mama Kiss lah.
Okay, ayo, okay, thank you. To all mothers, Happy Mother's Day. I love all mothers out there.